Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to develop augmented reality app using Unity engine without coding. So first create a empty 3D project, then go to Google and search developer.vuforia.com. Create an account and login it. Now go to download tab, then you can see different SDK versions for different platforms. So you must download this, add Vuforia engine to Unity project or update the latest version Unity package. Now it will download. Okay, you must open this uh, Vuforia SDK package. Now it will open using your Unity engine. So you can import this Unity package. Now you can delete this main camera and add new AR camera using Vuforia engine new package. So you can see this. You can see in this list Vuforia engine. Now you can add AR camera, and you must add image target game object. So in the AR camera, you must add application key. So create application key, then go to Vuforia developer portal. So in this website, you must click this develop tab. You can see license manager page. Now click this get basic button. Now you can uh, type a name for your project. I will type test project, and you can create a project using like this. So click on this project and copy this license key and paste inside the box. Now we must create a specific image target to our augmented reality application. So go to developer.vuforia.com, then select target manager tab, and you can see target manager page. So in this page, you can see add database button in the upper corner. Then click add database button, then select device. Then you can give a name for your database. Then click this create button, and you can see your database is created. Then double click and open the database. Now you can add image targets to your database. Then click add target button. Then you can see a window like this. Then select this image category. Then you can choose a file. I will select this image, and then I give 1 meter for width, uh, and you can change a name for your image. Then I click add. Now you can see your uploaded image like this. So this is uh, normal image I downloaded from Google. Now you can download this database using click this download database all button, then select this Unity editor option, then download. Then open this database Unity package. Then it will open using Unity like this. Then import this database. Now in the hierarchy, click this image target game object. Then you can in the inspector panel, in the image target behavior script, you can select uh, type of the image. Then click this drop down. You can see from database option and select this from database. And in the database option, you can see empty field and click this drop down button and select your database. And you can select your image target environment earth image target. Now you can see our image added like this. Now I can create 3D object like this. I created 3D cube on this image target like this. So this 3D game object must uh, child object in the image target game object. Now uh, our project is now okay. Now you can play. Now you can play the project and you can see what is the output. Now you can see our webcam is open now. In the game window, uh, I aim the specific image target using my mobile phone. Now you can see the created 3D cube plays like this on the image target like this. So I will stop the play mode. Then you can build this application for your Android mobile. Go to build settings, select Android platform, then switch platform. Go to player settings. In the other settings, you must change this uh, few settings. In the configuration, you can see scripting backend. You can change it to IL2 CPP, and when you select IL2 CPP, you can select this ARM64. Uh, but in this moment, I use the default values. In the minimum API level, uh, I will use in the minimum API level, I will use Android 9.0 Android version. Now it's okay. Then I close the player settings window. Then I can build. Then I select the destination of our APK. Then I will give a name for our APK. Test AR. Then click save button. This is your final APK. So you can install this APK on your Android phone. So I think you learn new things using my video. So see you in next video. Goodbye.